what do you want to say?
Part 3.
Okay.
Flying fish.
Okay.
Flying fish.
Just do your flip in the water.
Round 4. Round 2. Round 4.
Okay.
Round 2.
Yeah. This is a new video, yeah.
Round 2.
Okay.
Can I pick round 2?
You can say it.
Round 2, we can do karate chop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
We're going right. Okay. Yeah, we're on.
They have a YouTube station. If you want her to.
Round 5.
No, 3.
Round 3.
Okay. What are you doing?
Okay, we're doing round. Hey, what? Say it to the camera right here.
Okay, just go
Oh,
ahead.
I know.
Okay, Kingston, what are you going to say?
Awesome.